This little guy lost his way. It's about 10 feet from the tree that he needs to climb up. Show you his friends. They all made it. They're gone. Not all of them. There's one guy's having issues. It's almost there. Trees right behind him. You're not going to be able to see it. In the video. But it's like a trail of tears or trail of carcasses. So you can see if it shows up in the video. The trail going all the way up the tree. Neat stuff. I'm going to keep the video running. We're going to walk over to the playset real quick. Get my stabilizer. This is just funny. It's not as bad as it was this morning. Oh, they're just falling. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's on my leg. But they're attached to every surface. It's out here. They're just everywhere. And then we'll go to the infamous underground bunker as I check for cobwebs and crud. It's just freakishly amazing. Someone down there. Where'd he go? Oop. You gonna fight? You're gonna go, big guy. Oh, there's another one. There's an inchworm right there. They were both moving, the inchworm. This is just so weird. Kids have pretty much said they're not coming out outside the rest of the summer. Well, these guys must have woken up later. There's a whole bunch of them right here. Bear with me, I'm on manual focus. I'm looking at a small screen. A bunch of them. There's at least 20 or 30 of them right here alive in whatever state this is. So this must have been this shaded area. Wow. Sorry, I'm watching my step and everything I do here. Again, we have the trail going up the tree. Let's check out the plants. couple on the leaves of this plant. They're on top. I think they're supposed to sit. Oh, someone just came flying down right next to me. Sorry. Oh, here's a little guy. Hey, how you doing? Not that big of a tree. You don't have that far to go, big guy. So that's the thing, is these trees that we got here, they got quite a distance to go to get up them. I'm going to walk to the back of the property. I haven't been back here yet. This is the furthest back I've been. Sadly, I need to mow. I'm afraid of doing it. I'll damage the ecosystem. So there's stuff down here. Certainly not like there was in the front. I don't know why. We definitely have some carcasses. We don't have nearly the infestation that we did. Easter egg shell. Wow, it's just this one tree here is our main guy. It's these two trees. The two biggest trees closest to the house, which makes a little bit of sense because the whole backyard's got to get up here and they just stop at the first set. So we're back where we started from. Remember this guy from earlier? Can't tell if he's dead or alive. Anyway, there's the tour. I don't know if you can see it, but we'll try to aim down at the lawn. Just carcasses. They're not carcasses, I guess. They're just shells. What do you call the shell of an animal that changes shells? They're just here. So that's Cicada Geddon update.